प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, मैं डॉक्टर A.S. सलूजा, प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स, इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर एक्सीलेंस इन हायर एजुकेशन भोपाल, इस वीडियो लेक्चर में आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं। विद्यार्थियों, आज के हमारे ई कंटेंट मॉड्यूल का टॉपिक रैंक ऑफ मैट्रिक्स है तथा यह बीएससी फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर मैथमेटिक्स मेजर पेपर अलजेब्रा, वेक्टर एनालिसिस एंड ज्योमेट्री से संबंधित है। Topics to be covered in this e-content module are learning outcomes, link to previous topic, introduction, submatrix of a matrix, rank of a matrix, nullity of a matrix, examples, summary, link for further readings and references. Dear students, after studying this module, we will be able to understand the rank of a matrix, solve simple problems involving the determination of matrix rank, explain the significance of matrix rank in system of linear equations and apply the concept of rank to determine whether a system of linear equations has a unique solution, and analyze the relationship between the rank of a matrix and its null space. To understand this module, the prerequisites are the knowledge of matrix, properties of matrix, basic matrix operations, row matrix and column matrix, determinants, and the concept of linear dependence and independence vectors, etc. Now, the introduction. The rank of a matrix is a fundamental concept in linear algebra that provides information about the linear independence and dimensionality of the column vectors or row vectors of the matrix. The rank of a matrix A is denoted by symbol rho of A and is defined as the maximum number of linearly independent column vectors or equivalently linearly independent row vectors in the matrix A. Before learn the rank of a matrix, we need some basic concepts. Submatrix of a matrix. If A is any matrix of the type M cross N, that is, the matrix A has M rows and N columns, then a matrix which is obtained by leaving some rows and columns from A is called a submatrix of A. Clearly, A be a submatrix of A itself, since it is obtained from A by leaving zero number of rows and zero number of columns from A. Minor of a matrix, we know that each square matrix have a determinant. Let A be an M cross N matrix, that is, A has M rows and N columns. Then the determinant of each square submatrix of A is called a minor of the matrix A. If we leave M minus P rows and N minus P columns from A, then we get a square submatrix of A of order P, that is, the square submatrix has P rows and P columns. The determinant of this square submatrix is called a P row minor of A. For example, if A equal to the given matrix which is type 3 cross 4, then clearly each element of A is a minor of order 1. Now retain any two rows and two columns of A, then we get a square submatrix of A of order 2. The determinant of all these square submatrix of order 2 are called the minor of A of order 2. For examples, these are the minors of order 2 of matrix A. Since A be the matrix of order 3 cross 4, therefore, if we retain any 3 rows and any 3 columns of A, that is, leave any one column of the matrix A, then we get a square submatrix of order 3. The determinant of all such square submatrix of A of order 3 are called the minors of A of order 3. For examples, these are the minors of this matrix A of order 3. Now we consider the example when the matrix A is not a square matrix. Let A be a matrix of type 4 cross 5. Then it is not possible to find a 5-row minor of the matrix A. Here the given matrix A is 2 4 1 9 1 0 5 2 5 2 1 9 7 3 4 3 minus 2 8 1 8, which is of type 4 cross 5. If we leave any column from A, then we shall get a square submatrix of A of order 4. Thus, the minor of these square submatrix of type order 4 are called the 4-row minors of matrix A. Now, the definition of the rank of a matrix. The rank of a matrix A is said to be R if first each minor of A of order R plus 1 is 0, and second there is at least one minor of A of order R whose determinant is not equal to 0. अर्थात मैट्रिक्स ए की रैंक R होगी यदि मैट्रिक्स ए के प्रत्येक स्क्वायर सब मैट्रिक्स ऑर्डर R प्लस 1 की डिटर्मिनेंट 0 हो तथा मैट्रिक्स ए का कम से कम एक स्क्वायर सब मैट्रिक्स ऑर्डर R का इस प्रकार हो जिसका कि डिटर्मिनेंट 0 नहीं होगा। तो इस स्थिति में हम मैट्रिक्स ए की रैंक R कहते हैं तथा इसे सिंबल रो ए द्वारा प्रदर्शित किया जाता है। विद्यार्थियों, these are some remarks from the definition of the rank of a matrix A. Suppose that R be the rank of the matrix A, then every square submatrix of A of order R plus 1 is singular. अर्थात मैट्रिक्स A के R plus 1 ऑर्डर की प्रत्येक सब मैट्रिक्स का डिटर्मिनेंट 0 होगा। इसी प्रकार मैट्रिक्स की रैंक की परिभाषा से क्लियर है, यदि R मैट्रिक्स की रैंक है तो A के कोई ना कोई सब मैट्रिक्स ऑर्डर R का इस प्रकार होगा जिसका कि डिटर्मिनेंट 0 नहीं होगा। अर्थात हम कह सकते हैं कि देयर इज एटलीस्ट वन स्क्वायर सब मैट्रिक्स ऑफ A ऑफ ऑर्डर R विच इज नॉन सिंगुलर। इसी प्रकार मैट्रिक्स की रैंक यदि R या R से कम है तो इसका मतलब अर्थ रहेगा कि मैट्रिक्स के प्रत्येक R प्लस 1 रो माइनर्स 0 रहेंगे तथा यदि मैट्रिक्स की रैंक R या R से अधिक है तो इस स्थिति में मैट्रिक्स का कम से कम एक R रो माइनर इस प्रकार होगा जिसके की वैल्यू 0 नहीं होगी। Now we see the definition of nullity of a matrix. Let A be a square matrix of order n and R be the rank of the matrix A, then n minus R is called the nullity of the matrix A and it is denoted by the symbol NA. अर्थात हम कह सकते हैं कि यदि A नॉन सिंगुलर स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स है जिसका ऑर्डर n है तो चूंकि A नॉन सिंगुलर है अर्थात A की रैंक भी n होगी और इस प्रकार A की नल्टी n माइनस n अर्थात 0 होगी। Now we see some examples. Let A be the unit matrix of order 3. Then clearly the determinant of the matrix A is 1. Hence we say that A has a minor of order 3 which is not equal to 0 and therefore its rank is 3. इसी प्रकार हम कह सकते हैं कोई भी यूनिट मैट्रिक्स जिस ऑर्डर की है वह उसकी रैंक होगी। अर्थात if I be a unit matrix of order n then the rank of the matrix I is n. Now we see the matrix A which is the zero matrix of order 3. Clearly the determinant of the matrix A is 0, hence we say that the rank of this matrix zero matrix is 0. Similarly, if we consider the matrix A of type 3 by 3 1 2 3 2 3 4 0 2 2, then we consider the determinant of the matrix A it is equal to minus 22, which is not equal to 0. Hence, this matrix is a non-singular matrix. Therefore, we can say that this matrix has a minor of order 3, which is not equal to 0, and therefore, by the definition of the rank of a matrix, the rank of this matrix A is 3. Now, if A be the matrix of type 3 by 3, here the determinant of this matrix A is equal to 0. Hence, it is a singular matrix. Therefore, the rank of this matrix A is definitely less than 3. Now, we consider the minor of this matrix A of order 2. The first minor, the determinant of matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. It is obviously equal to minus 2, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, by the definition of the rank of matrix, we can say that the rank of this matrix A is 2. Similarly, we consider a matrix A of order 2 by 4. Clearly, this matrix has a minor of order 2, that is the determinant 2, 4, 3, 5. It is not equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that the rank of this matrix A is 2. Now we consider some more examples. Find the ranks of the following matrices. Solution of first example. We have the given matrix A be order 3 by 3. To find the determinant of this matrix A, expanding it along the first row, we get the determinant of A equal to 0. Therefore, it is a singular matrix. Hence, the rank of this matrix is not equal to 3. Now we consider its minor of order 2. The first minor, the determinant 1, 2, 2, 1. Obviously, it is not equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that the rank of the matrix A is 2. Now, the solution of the second example, we have the matrix A is 2 by 3 matrix. Here, we consider the minor of this matrix of order 2. The minor determinant 1, 3, 2, 5, it is equal to minus 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that the rank of this matrix A is 2. Now we see the example of the matrix where the rank and nullity of the matrix A are to be found. We have given the matrix A of order 4 by 4. It is a square matrix. Now, to find the rank of this matrix A, first we consider its minor of order 4. To calculate this determinant, we applying some linear transformations. Let we applying the transformation on the row 4, R4 minus R3. Then we get the equivalent determinant in which fourth row is 6, minus 6, 1, 3 and 8. Now we applying the transformation on column third, C3 minus 3C2. Then we get the determinant in which third column is 0. Since the third column is 0, therefore the value of this determinant is 0. And hence we can say that the given matrix A is a singular matrix. Therefore its rank is not equal to 4. Then obviously its rank is less than or equal to 3. Now we consider the minor of order 3 of the matrix A. Here we see that the minor of order 3 of the matrix A is equal to 0. Similarly, all the minors of matrix A of order 3 are equal to 0. Therefore, obviously the rank of the matrix A is not equal to 3. Hence, by the definition of the rank of a matrix, the rank of this matrix is obviously less than or equal to 2. Now we consider the minor of order 2 of the matrix A. The first minor, the determinant 6, 1, 4, 2, obviously it is equal to 8, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that the rank of this matrix is 2. Dear students, the summary of this module is learning outcomes, link to previous topic, introduction, submatrix of a matrix, rank of a matrix, nullity of a matrix, summary, link for further readings, questions, references. These are the links for further readings. Matrix and Linear Algebra by K.B. Datta, Prentice Hall of India Private Limited, New Delhi, publication 2000. A textbook on algebra and theory of equations by Chandrika Prasad, publication Pothyshala Private Limited, Allahabad, edition 2017. And these are the website links and equivalent courses of NPTEL, etc. Dear students, these are some questions for your assessment. Question first. The rank of the unit matrix of order n is, you have to choose the correct option, n, 0, 1 and n minus 1. Question second. If there is a non-zero minor of order r in a matrix A, then the rank of A is less than or equal R, the rank of A is greater than or equal R, the rank of A is R, or the rank of A is less than R. You have to choose the correct option. Question third. If A be a non-zero matrix of order n cross 1 and B be another non-zero row matrix of order 1 cross n, then the rank of the matrix AB is 1, n, n square, or none of these. You have to choose the correct option. Here we have a 3 by 3 matrix where I square is equal to minus 1. Then you have to find the rank of this matrix A. The options are first 1, second option is 0, third option is 3, and fourth option is 2. In the fifth question, you have to find the rank of the diagonal matrix A of order 4. The rank of this matrix is first option 1, second option 2, third option 4, and fourth option 3. Question second, filling the blanks. First, if the rank of a matrix is R, then the determinant of each submatrix of order R plus 1 is, and second, the rank of the non-singular matrix of order n is. Question third, write true or false. First, the rank of a matrix and its transpose are same. Second, if R be the rank of a square matrix A of order n, then the nullity of the matrix A is n minus R minus 1. And it is the answer key. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep growing.